was an old lady. She is 62 years old. She had a son who died at a young age due to cancer. Her husband also passed away and now she lives alone in the house. She has a speech and hearing impairment. One day she received the friend request from Scotland. They started chatting on Facebook and then soon they changed their local numbers. They become very good friends. And then one day to help her, he said that he would send gifts such as laptop, mobile phone, jewelry, gold watch and 20,000 pounds of cash. He sent the photographs of the packed gifts and later she received a message that her parcel has arrived in New Delhi and that she should claim it by depositing a custom clearance and courier fee of rupees 40,000 approx. Over the next fortnight, the woman received several messages asking how to deposit different fee and till now she deposited approximately 15 lakh rupees. Then she finally gets a shot that some scam is going on. She immediately contacted Cybercell and within a month, Cybercell arrested the man. He was of Nigerian nationality and had dropped more than 20,000 people. But there is a point to note, my amigos, that everyone is not as lucky as that woman. We should be aware of such types of scams and in case if we trap in such scams, we should directly contact Cybercell as soon as possible. Now, let's put some spotlight in understanding the mindset of these criminals and how to prevent it. Cyber criminals seem to be turning to social media platforms for duping name and gullible people from posing as businessmen and looking for investment opportunity in India. To link traps, numbers are increasingly getting people to social networking sites. This year's police data shows that while the most common cybercrime is still credit or debit card, blocked with 1,122 complaint-related cases of cheating and Facebook-related cases are third on the list. Cyber awareness. Cyber awareness is knowledge to protect our information assets being cyber secure. You understand that what are the threats and what right steps you can prevent these cyber crimes as now the cyber crimes rising rapidly. Cyber awareness is at most important because cybercrime can cause serious harm and pose very real threats to victims worldwide. But we should not be afraid of cyber crimes. We have several ways from which we can protect ourselves from being a victim of cybercrime. First, educating staff about cyber security. Second, sensitivity on data system. Third, correctly following the procedure. Fourth, heading information towards how to avoid phishing and other scam tactics. Fifth, using firewalls. Sixth, using strong passwords. And do not share passwords with anyone. We should surely follow the cyber safety measures to avoid being victim of cybercrime.